Alright, this is part 3 of 4 look last layer. Gonna cover these two cases. It's case number 21 and 22 in the speed solving wiki. Comparing these together because they're the only two algorithms or two cases that you'll have a fully oriented edges. So you'll have a cross and you'll have no oriented corners. So you're either going to have headlights in the front and the back, which I call the car. I think of it as headlights, taillights. Or you're going to have headlights on one side, and then these guys are kind of opposite. I call this pi, like the mathematical math equation or symbol. Pi, you got a line here and 2 feet. So let's get started. This is probably the easiest way to fix the car, and it's with an F as a setup move. You do the sexy move 3 times, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then F back, and that'll solve your case. Another way to do it is 2 anti-sunes. And that'll solve your case. The reason why I think that you should have both of these in your toolbox, if you will, as you can see, different stuff kind of happens. So if you do the 3 sexy one, you're going to see things look more like a checkerboard pattern here. So the reds just need to pop up here. Basically, these need to flip, and those need to flip. If you see this and you perform the sexy move 3 times and F back, you get a PLL skip. You don't have any algorithms to do after getting your OLL done. But if you see a bar here, you can still perform that algorithm, and your OLL is done, but you have PLL to deal with. But if you see a bar here and you do 2 anti-sunes, you might get a PLL skip. So you'd want your bar in the back right, on the side here, and you would do 2 anti-sunes. And you might get a PLL skip. And you can cut a couple of those moves out between the 2 anti-sunes, and this is what you end up getting. It's a R, U2, R prime, U prime, sexy move, R, U prime, R prime. So here's the other case, the pi. And this is going to alternate between your right hand and your left hand. Your right hand is going to do only R moves, and your left hand is only going to do U moves, U prime or U2. You're going to want the headlights facing the left, and here's how the algorithm is performed. It's R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R, and that'll solve your case. I always like to keep my hand in the same spot, so I kind of hold it like this to solve it. I'll put in the description of this video, I'll put those algorithms in there for you so you have them. And that's it for those 2 cases. Thanks.